Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The members of staff with involvement in manual testing depend on the nature of the company that you are working in. Some of the people with an involvement in the manual testing process, in addition to the sort of development team you find these roles in. Developer. A developer is involved in the process continuously, testing the basic functionality of the software and making updates to the code dependent on QA tester feedback. QA tester. Present in larger teams, QA testers exclusively complete testing for a company and ensure that the application runs as the client expects. QA manager. Works in the largest of development companies. QA managers assign testers to specific tasks and areas of the project. They are also responsible for creating a list of things to be completed and reading test reports. This is especially important in manual testing, as staff satisfaction can provide far better results. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.